What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to give you an update about the Liquidity Farm, how this project is doing. It's been 4 days since I've been rolling with the project, as you can see right there. Okay, and I've made in profit so far $38. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to show you how to withdraw. But before I get into it, okay, guys, let me just quickly do an overview about the project and how everything works. If you're not familiar with the project, come over here to the FAQs, and over here is where you're going to find all the information that you need to know about the project, okay? So once you are happy with that, you come over here to Farm Packs. Farm Packs is where you're going to select the plan that you want to roll with. So as you can see right here, we have four: Easy, Pro, Pro X, and Compounding. The one that I'm rolling with, it's this one right here, the Easy, because the minimum is $300. And yeah, that's that. The Pro, the minimum is $1,200. Okay, the Pro X is 12,000.5K, and the compounding one, the minimum is $1,500. Okay, that's why I'm just rolling with this one. So down here is where you can find the differences between each pack. Okay, and once you decided to roll with the pack, you only got to do is hit select. So for example, on this one, I just hit select, and it will take you to this page where you're gonna, the plan is already selected for you. Okay, you're gonna input the minimum or the maximum that you want to deposit on this one. So for example, I did 1,000. Okay, you hit continue, and then you made a transfer to a wallet. Okay, once you make that transfer, after a few minutes, the balance will be in your wallet. Okay, and once that's done, you were good to go. Okay, you don't have to do anything else. Okay, so the withdrawals, you can only withdraw once per day. Okay, so once a day, you come over here and withdraw if you want to. If you're not, just let it accumulate for a few days, and then you come and withdraw. Okay, so the order to withdraw is very simple. So come over here, you select the payment type. The withdrawal takes up to 24 hours to complete. Okay, so it's going to be my first withdrawal, so let's see how it goes. So you select the USDT BEP20, but you can select a few other coins: Bitcoin, TRC20, Ethereum, ERC20, BNB, BNB BEP20. Okay, so I will go with USDT BEP20. Okay, and I'm gonna withdraw 38. So my wallet is gonna be my MetaMask wallet. Okay, let's go ahead and paste it right there. And then once that's done, all we got to do is hit submit. Okay, so once you hit submit, that's it. So withdrawal request has been sent. The request will process within 0 to 24 hours. Okay, so within 24 hours, I will supposed to receive I'm supposed to receive the withdrawal funds. Okay, so time will tell. As you can see right here, the balance now is 1K, which is the deposits, and the withdrawal is gone. So let me see if I can see the transaction. Probably will show pending. So over here we can see the earnings. So let's go over to withdraw, and as you can see right here is pending. Okay, guys. So once this is confirmed, so probably on the next video, I'm gonna give you an update about this withdrawal. But if you are in my TG group, once the funds are in my wallet, I will go ahead and let y'all know that the funds have been received, so the project is doing what it's supposed to do. Okay, guys. That being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.